I don't know why I'm still alive, but I feel like it's only by chance.
Noura, Noura, don't you cry! Noura, Noura, don't you cry! Noura, Noura, don't you cry! Oh, Syria, Syria, don't you cry!
In 2012, March 28th, I was traveling from Damascus to Aleppo by bus. In the bus station, just 4 men, they came to me and they said, they put the weapon in my head and they said, "Give us your identity." They took me from the bus. They were not wearing uniform. They just closed my eyes and raped my hands. And we went to a known place. I remember they put me in a cell, as a single cell. I stayed at that time there 40 days alone. They took everything. They attacked my home. Yeah, and somehow they tried to make me a person without memory. When I choose to continue my master's in the global affairs, because I feel like everything that I believe is a global issue is not the issue only of Syria, it's the global issue. This is what brings me here. Last summer, I was invited with my husband also by Citizen Lab to attend the Summer Institute. And this was my first time in Toronto. That was my first meeting with Monk School and U of T. And at that moment, I felt like this is my place. Yeah, I trust that the revolution is not inspire only people of Syria, but all people worldwide.